quiet. Once Basil hits halfway, you go, Basil, come on.
And is the other one some time in between?
Oh, Zach's in this one too.
All three of them.
We have our results for the boys shot put. In 5th place, Sean Carrero from Connor. In 4th place, Owen Dawson from Connor. In 3rd place, Travis Daly from Southington. In 2nd place, Matthew Bennett from Southington. And in 1st place, with a throw of 46 feet 7 inches, from Farmington, Dan Hardiman.
I'll switch horses.
Good job, Steph.